Hi friends, if a class inherits properties and methods of more than one class, then it is called as multiple inheritance. Let's implement multiple inheritance. Class parent A. I'll define method with message with self self parameter print. I'm from parent A class. Similarly, for another parent class, parent B, I'm from parent B class. Now it is time to create child class. Inherit two parent classes, parent A, comma, parent D. Then in this, I'm going to create a method with message 3, self and print. I'm from, I'm from child class. So we have successfully created the three classes, parent A, parent B, and one child class. Now it is time for creating an object with child class, child, and this we have nothing to pass any arguments. So let me call the each and every method message one. I'm calling I'm calling the methods of our parent classes from child class. Okay, from child class. And next child message to method message to, okay, and then child method message 3. Let's see whether it is inheriting the method successfully or not. I have saved the program and running it. I'm from parent A class, I'm from parent B class, I'm from child class. Our child class successfully inherited the methods of our parent classes. Now let's see what happens if the names of the methods are same. At the end of this execution, what will be the output of our program? So tell me guys, what you will expect that the output of this program. Pause the video and answer. So let me run this program. Okay. Let's see what will be the output. I'm from child class. Why it has happened? Because we re-declared the method with the same name. So the methods present in these two classes are overridden. So what we have to do in this case? We have to call those two parent class methods. Let's see the syntax to call a particular method of the inherited class. Firstly, we have to define init method. Inside here, we have to define the name of the class where the method is present that we have to call. So the method I want to call is present in a class parent A, and the name of the method message, and the parameter I should pass here to represent the current object. And another method I want to call which is the same method, self. This is how we have to call a particular method of inherited classes. This syntax is used if two classes have been inherited. So I'll save this program and I'll run it. So same thing. I'm from parent A class. I'm from parent E class. I'm from child class. In the next video, we see what multi-level inheritance is.